everyone, I'm Crystal Diff, the Program Coordinator for History Services, and today we are going to be doing a sunshine ornament craft. Craft kits are available at all of the Charlotte County Library locations, and inside you will find two halves of an ornament, cotton balls, a packet of glitter, a string to hang up your ornament, a paintbrush, blue paint, and yellow paint, and of course, your ornament directions. Some things that I picked up for myself were an apron. If you don't have an apron, that's okay. Just make sure that the clothes you're wearing are okay to do this craft in. You'll also need some paper towels to help clean up any messes. And you'll also need a water cup with some water in it so that we can wash off our paintbrush in between paint colors. You can also get some newspapers or use paper towels to lay those down on your work surface so that you can easily clean up your mess. Now we can begin making our sunshine ornament. At the end, it's going to look a little something like this. We're gonna have the blue background for our sky. We're gonna have a nice white puffy cloud with some glitter and a sunshine in front. Some of you have different shaped ornaments, but in the end, you'll still have a nice sunshiny sky. So first, we're going to take one half of our ornament, and we are going to use the blue paint for the sky. And you're gonna want to paint the entire background blue. Make sure that you fill the entire section with the blue paint and check to make sure there are no big globs of paint. You just want to do a light coating of blue paint on the inside surface of your ornament. If there are some spaces where you have some white or some light shining through, you can just let it dry and go over it with a second coat of paint in a few minutes. I'm going to close up my blue paint and set that part aside. Wash off my paintbrush. And we'll get ready to make our sunshine. You want to make sure that all of the blue paint is off of your paintbrush so that it doesn't mix with your yellow paint, because then your sun will end up green. Did you know that blue and yellow mixed together makes green? All right, so we are going to take the other half of your ornament and we are going to make a sun. So you can make a sun however you want using that yellow paint. I'm gonna make a nice big sun in the center. You're gonna take your yellow paint and use the inside of the ornament. So you can see how the outside has that nice rounded shape over here. We are going to be painting it on the inside of the ornament. So I'm going to take my yellow paint and make a big circle here for my sun. And let's get some sun rays coming out from my sun. Let's see. And then you're going to be seeing that outside part of it. Pretty neat. So now we have our sunshine and our blue sky, and we are going to have to let that completely dry before we move on to the next step, which will just take a few minutes. Let's wash off our brush. Now that your paint is dry, we can move on to the next step. That is going to be adding the glitter. So you're going to take your glitter and try to get it down to the bottom. You can shake the glitter down. That way it doesn't fall out when you open it. There should be a small tear at the top to help you open it up carefully. If it's not there, you could always use scissors to cut across the top. So you're going to open that up, and then we're going to pour that glitter into the blue side of your ornament. You can just dump it all in there. There we go. Next, we're going to get the cotton balls and gently pull them apart to make a nice puffy cloud. Don't pull it too hard or completely apart. You want to make sure that it looks nice and puffy and kept together. You can make it as big or as small as you want, and there should be at least 2 cotton balls so you can make 2 clouds for your ornament. And once you're done making your cloud, you can just place that on top of the glitter on that blue side of your ornament. Once everything is inside, you can place the other side of the ornament on top. Be careful not to spill out the glitter when you do this step. Line up the tabs on the top and press together until you hear a light click. You need to make sure that those 2 circles are directly on top of each other so that we can put the string through. Then you can try it out and shake up the glitter and clouds to see how it looks. It's pretty shiny. If you'd like to, you can tape or glue the sides. It's like a nice sunny Florida version of a snow globe because we don't usually see snow here. Now our ornament is almost complete. You're going to take your string now, and you want to take the end of your string and just kind of twist that together a little bit. That way it fits into the circle tab on the top of your ornament. You may have to twist it a few times. Then all you have to do is put it straight through into the hole at the top and pull that string through about halfway. So you can line up your string, take both ends and just kind of match those up. That way you know it's about halfway. There we go. And you're going to tie it into a knot. You can either tie it into a bow, kind of like you're tying your shoes, or you can just double knot it. So we're going to do 1 knot, and then just 1 more. And now that's nice and secure, and we have a nice big loop so that we can hang our ornament up. I hope you had fun making your sunshine ornament craft with me today, and I hope that you have a nice, beautiful spot to hang up in your space. If you have any extra paint left over, you can always hold on to that and hold on to your paintbrush for any future crafts that you'd like to do. Happy holidays!